Welcome. If you want to transfer data from your NITEO Tools Titan to other Android smartphone, for the first you have to move for the Play Store and get application to transfer data. So let's tap on the search pool and type here CLONEit. We are going to get this application to transfer the data, and of course we have to do the same on the second smartphone. So just wait on your NITEO until it finished download, and as you can see, here we are. So right now we can open it, accept the permissions, and of course we have to get that thing that we want to send. So I'm going for the Google Chrome and I'm going to download the picture. You have to be patient with this smartphone. It works really laggy and freeze a lot of times. Okay, so I'm going to take this picture. And right now we can go back to our application. So open background apps. And right now click sender on your NITEO. Go back, click sender one more time, tap allow. Click receiver on the second smartphone, tap set, turn on location, go back, click receiver one more time and click search again. Click on this Titan icon, it is our NITEO Tool Titans. Accept the request, and right now if you want to send all of the data you have to select all icons and then just click start. But in my case it's only example, so I'm going to only take this photo that I downloaded. So click start, OK. And as you can see, the transfer is finished. So right now I can enter the gallery and just take this photo. So as you can see, here it is. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.